Artificial intelligence, it's not just sci-fi anymore, folks. It's making our phones smarter, our cars self-driving, and our dating apps, well, still kind of creepy. But the point is, AI is everywhere, and it's evolving faster than a tech bro on a smoothie cleanse. This isn't just about robots taking our jobs, though that's something to think about. This is about machines making decisions that affect our lives. Decisions about loans, healthcare, even who gets released from prison. Now, I'm not saying it's all doom and gloom. AI has the potential to do amazing things like cure diseases and fight climate change. But like a new intern with a Twitter account, it needs some serious supervision. That's where AI ethics comes in. Because if we're not careful, this runaway train of algorithms could leave us with a future that's less Jetsons and more Terminator. And nobody wants that except maybe those robots who are definitely not plotting against us. Here's the thing about AI, it's only as good as the data we feed it. And let's be honest, humans are kind of biased. So if we're not careful, we could end up with algorithms that discriminate against certain groups of people. Imagine an AI system used for hiring. Sounds efficient, right? But what if it's trained on data that shows mostly white males in leadership positions? You guessed it, we're back to the good old boys club, but this time it's run by lines of code. Then there's the issue of accountability. If an AI makes a mistake, who's to blame? The programmer? The company that owns it? These are tough questions, and we need to answer them before we hand over too much control to the machines. Because the last thing we want is an AI system that's as biased and morally ambiguous as your average politician. AI thrives on data. Your data. Every click, every like, every embarrassing search you've ever made is fuel for the AI fire. Now, some of this data can be used for good, like personalizing your shopping experience or recommending a show you might actually enjoy. But what happens when that data is used to manipulate you or to predict your behavior in ways you find creepy and invasive? Imagine getting targeted ads based on a health condition you never told anyone about. Or worse, being denied a loan because an algorithm decided you weren't financially responsible based on your online shopping habits. The point is, our data is valuable, and we need to start treating it that way. We need strong privacy laws that protect our information from being collected and used without our consent. Think of it like this. You wouldn't give a stranger access to your bank account. Your personal data deserves the same level of protection. Section 4, Taming the Tech. Why we need rules for robots. Regulations? Less exciting than watching paint dry, but essential for preventing chaos. Clear guidelines are crucial, especially in healthcare and law enforcement. AI must be fair, unbiased, and transparent. Think of it like traffic laws. They prevent chaos. Regulations ensure AI is used for good, not evil. Section 5, A Future Worth Building. Our role in ethical AI. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's not some Hollywood dystopia where robots enslave humanity. It's a future that we get to shape. But that requires us to be informed, engaged, and maybe a little bit cautious. We need to demand transparency from companies developing AI. We need to support researchers who are working on ethical AI solutions. And we need to educate ourselves about the potential benefits and risks of this technology. So let's make sure it's a world where AI is used to empower humanity, not to control it. A world where robots are our helpful assistants, not our tyrannical overlords. And if all else fails, we can always just unplug them and hope for the best. Just kidding. Mostly.